Hello, all. This is Muhammad, and this is my new website, which is called ZeeCommerce.learnandgrow.com. This is a new project which I've created. ZeeCommerce is a crafted WordPress site showcasing a jewelry brand featuring rings, earrings, necklace, bracelets, and lab-grown diamonds. The site highlights collections, custom jewelry designs, commitment to grow the virtual appointments, and streamline customer support via chat, email, and having a FAQ section. As you can see, this is the first page, which has got a header and a footer with bright illuminated pictures of the products being displayed. Then the about us page displays a collection of jewelry, got rings, showcasing, giving a better view of the showrooms, virtual appointment. That's the second page about us in the jewelry section where you have a lot of things which you can scroll through, order as well, and a contact us form. Which so the objective here is to create a polished, visually rich storefront tailored for jewelry, which highlights personalized design, services, and engagement rings. Enhance brand credibility through clear, trust building content, and ensure seamless mobile responsive shopping experience. That's it for my end. Thank you so much.